prayer. Today we have. Okay. We have. I will check your attendance. If I call your name, you say present teacher. Okay. Okay. Kyrie.
Present teacher.
Cecilia.
Present teacher.
Brian.
Present
Nina.
teacher.
Seth.
Present teacher.
Maya.
Present teacher.
Janica.
Present teacher.
How about Jonah?
Present teacher.
Kyrie.
Present teacher.
Okay. So today we have a classroom rules. We have a classroom rules. Listen to teachers. Okay. Rule number 1, follow direction quickly. Okay? If si teacher na isulti mo, sunod tayo. Okay? Okay. Rule number 2, raise your hand for permission to speak. Okay. If si Cecilia maingon, teacher, pwede ko mo storya or pwede ko mo answer? Good. Okay. Rule number 3, raise your hand. Raise your hand for permission to leave your seat. Okay. If si Seth moingon, teacher, may I go to CR? Okay, good. Rules. Drink of water. Rule number 4, respect your classmates. Okay. If si Collie, sige utabi, ngayon si Cecilia nga, ayaw sige utabi, kaya na-focus ko kung lesson ni teacher. Ha? Listen and respect your classmates. Rule number 5, respect your teacher. Not only me, but all teachers. Okay? Okay. So today we have a reward station. Okay? If you answer my question, I will give you a reward. If you answer more, I will give you this one. Okay? So today, everybody stand up. Okay, I will sing first and do the action. After that, you follow teacher. Okay? Okay. Okay, I will start. Okay. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather today? It's sunny. It is rainy. It is windy. It is stormy. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather today? Okay, everybody will sing together and do the action. Okay? Take it. Okay. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather today? It's a sunny. It's a rainy. It's a windy. It is stormy. What's the weather? What's the weather today? Okay. Can you look outside the window? What is the weather today? Okay. Oh. Today is a sunny day. You say sunny day.
Sunny day.
Okay. You may now settle down. So our Tanawan ninyo ang picture din. Do you have an idea kung sa atong topic for today? Okay, our topic, our lesson for today is all about the kinds of weather. Okay, what our lesson today? The kinds of weather. Okay, what is the weather? Kung sa ang weather teacher? Do you have an idea kung sa ang weather? Okay, good. What else? Windy. What else? Stormy. Very good. What else? Okay, very good. Okay, very good. What is the weather? Weather is the condition of the day. Weather is the condition of the day. Today, we have 4 kinds of weather. The sunny, the windy, the rainy, and the stormy. How many weather? 4. Okay, what is this? Sunny, windy, rainy, and stormy. Today, I will discuss first the sunny day. Okay, quiet. What is sunny day? Sunny day, a day when the sun shining bright. Okay, do you ever see sun? Okay, mainit tayo ang sun and so bright, no? Quiet na. Okay, what activity do you like to do on sunny day? Oh, playground. You play in the playground. Beach. Go to beach, no? Mag-swim. Kasi namin nakaswim. Okay. Sunny day, no? Ang example di ay okay, very good. Okay, no? Kung ang weather di ay is a sunny day, no? Swim, tanong mo ato na sa beach, no? And mo play ka sa play. Again, unsa gani ang sunny day? Brightly, shining brightly, no? Ika kaayo ang everybody, okay. Everybody say sunny day. Everybody, sunny day. Okay. Okay, so today we talk about the windy day. Can you say it again? Windy day. Windy day. Windy day. Okay. Everybody listen. So ganito, 1, 2, 3, zip your mouth. Okay. Okay. What is the windy day? No? Ang windy day ay basta weather gani. Ang windy day is grabe kaayo when sa hangin kaayo ang dawat. Okay. So, what activity man na aton is windy day? Oh, unsa man siya? Okay. Windy day, no? Mag-play ka og kite basta windy day, no? Kay magpalupad ka og kite basta ang weather is a windy day. Mag-try na mo anak mag-play og kite, magpalupad. Isa na try. Okay, no? Inom na. No, mag-play ta og kite basta windy day. Sa ganahan man ta mo play og kite, isa may ganahan mo play og kite. Oo na magpalupad ta ato jud ay pasun jud na to ang kuan sa. Okay. The next is a rainy day. Can you say rainy day? What is the rainy day? Rainy day when the rains fall from the clouds and making brown. Okay. Hindi kami nakatunaw one day. Basta rain. Pino naka. Okay. Ang rain kahit cold or hot. Hindi ko yan dito. Mag-wear oh. Okay, no? Basta rainy day, hindi ka human ako obligo sa ano. Kailangan mo sa ligo na. Basta mag-uwan. And then, kung sa man ato i-wear, rainy day. Umbrella. What else? Raincoat. What else?